Good morning, guys. It's Monday once again. Okay. I'll give you. Wait a minute. And we are having a brekkie. Zach is having Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt. Yummers. Hindi okay to. Ewan ko kung meron ganitong brand sa Pinas, Farmers Union. Okay siya kasi hindi siya ganun ka-asin. Unlike sa ibang mga try ko. Yummy. You like it? You like it? And of course, I have some grilled cheese over there. Nakakain na ako ng isa. This is supposed to be for Zach and Zeb, pero let's see. Hi! You show them your mouth. You show them your... Oh, you want bread? Okay, say hi. Say hi, Zed. You shy? Hi. Happy Monday. Hi. Okay. Happy Monday, guys. Nagwawala si Zach. Anyway, nandito si Vince. Kagabi, or how many times have I said this na meron kaming tuna belly. So, all this time, I thought meron kaming tuna belly. Kasi galing sa Pinas yun. Binalot. Nakabalot siya ng jaryo. Tapos nakalagay sa ziplock. So, hindi ko siya tinatanggal sa pagkabalot. So, kanina, tinanggal ko na kasi nga, i-marinate ko dapat sa toyo at kalamansi. Tapos para mamay piprito ko. Tapos kagabi, nagtitingin-tingin pa nga ako ng recipe for tuna belly. Pagbukas ko, hindi pa na siya tuna belly. Ganito siya. May label na kasulat kilaw. So, pang kinilaw to. Hindi ako kumakain nun and I don't know how to make that. So, minarinig ko na lang din siya tulad ng minarinig ko lang siya toyo at kalamansi and then mamaya ipiprito ko. Because that's what I know. So, sana okay. And I hope this is enough for us. So, yeah. Yan ang aming ulam today. We'll see. Meron akong miso paste na parang pwede mo gawing miso soup. Or parang instant miso soup. Baka maggawa na lang din ako nun kasi gusto ni Zeb yun. Nagustuhan niyo yun before. So, yes. I'm on my second. Mag-12 o'clock pa lang naman. Okay lang. Anyway. So, yeah. Good morning again. Hi, kitty baby! You say hi! Say hi, kuya!
Hi!
Here! Hi! You show your toy. Show your toy. Yay! Angry Bird! Hi, guys! It's 11:20 almost. And kailangan ko na mag-start mag-pre-tell ng aming ulam. Wait! Wipe your nose, kuya. Wipe your nose. Here. You know what pala, guys? Hindi ko syempre, hindi ko talaga nasabi kasi late ko na yung ginawa. Nag-push through ako sa order ko sa dresslink.com and I'm gonna show you guys once it arrives. Akala ko, all along, free shipping siya. Pero, parang basta meron silang something. Hindi ko alam how it works yung free shipping, sa totoo lang. Parang, merong part doon, merong separate tab doon for free shipping. So, hindi ko alam kung kapag bumili ka sa isa sa mga nandun sa free shipping, which is mostly accessories na hindi ko bet. Wait, kasi mga skull. Mga silver accessories. Oh, don't fight, wait. Ayun, as I was saying, hindi ko alam kung pag meron kang binili isa doon sa free ship, under sa free shipping is lahat ng order mo free shipping na. I don't understand. But anyways, yung shipping ko naman, yung order ko, diba sabi ko magsiset ako ng limit na 10. Umabot ako ng 15. Sabi mo ng 14 something. Tapos yung shipping nasa 5 something. So, 20 something yung total order ko. Yun nga sabi ko kasi, kung order ako ng isang item dun sa under na nasa free shipping, mas mapapamahal pa kasi yung iba dun nasa $9, $7. Yung sa akin, yung computation ng akin, $5 yung shipping. 6 items. Actually, nung una, parang 8 yung in-order ko. Kaso umabot ng 30 plus. Nagbawas ako. Yung isa, yung pinakamahal na order ko. Lahat ng order ko, tig to $2. Sa totoo lang. 2 something. Basta, puro tig to 2 something. Meron din yata isang 4. Basta, yun. Meron ako nagustuhan sanang dress. 7 plus. Yay! Oh! 7 plus. Yun yung nagpamahal kaya umabot ng 30. Wait. Ayun, yun na nagpamahal yung dress na $7 something. Siya tinanggal ko. Kaya, yun. Kaya, at least, nagmura siya. So, sabi ko nila, kapag okay, yung mga, so far, yung mga dadating, quiet. Pag okay yung mga dadating, saka na lang ko order ulit. Saka ko orderin yung dress. Sana, nandun pa. Okay, so, yeah. That's that. So, I'm so excited to do a haul for you guys. Kasi sasabay ko na rin yung maong shirts na nabili ko kagabi. So, yun. Magluluto na ako. Should I say, magpiprito. Okay. Iyak nang iyak sa kwarto. Pero pagkalabas ng kwarto, biglang ngiti. Napaka. May at this food ka din. May at this food ka din. Never gets old. For now. Anyways, I'm gonna start frying palang ulit. It's 11:40 and yes, let's do it. Play muna si Zach while mom is cooking. Yay! Tower! Uh-oh. Dessert time. We're done with lunch and toot. Pag gumaganto ako, naiisip ko na rin yung kay Judy na yung sound effects niyan pag nagkaganyan. Anyways, buksan ko lang to. Anyway, ito nga ba yung nabili ko kagabi sa grocery. Wala akong nabiling ulam, pero may nabili akong shorts at ice cream. So yes, this is again creme brulee with caramelized sugar, flavored sauce, and a caramel compound chips. So yeah, I think this is the first time kong binili itong flavor na to, and I think it should be fine. Like ko rin naman ang caramel. Minsan kasi nakakasawa na yung puro chocolate flavor eh. Ang gusto ko i-try talaga yung bago ng Ben & Jerry's na s'mores. Yung speculous ka, never kong na-try. Kaso nakakahinayang kasi ang mahal-mahal. Yung liit-liit na yun, ano ba yun? 1 pint? Ilan ba yun? Ano bang tawag nung sa ano nila? Magkano yun? 20? 20? 16? Or something like that. Pero meron kasing promo. Meron silang promo ngayon, 21 something. O sabi mo ng 22 for 2. Pero pa din, hindi ako gagas ng 20. Para sa dalawang, This was only $6.75 and it's, ilan ba ito kalami? 1 liter. So, ito na lang. Anyway, so yun. Mag-ice cream muna kami ni Zeb. And it's only magka-quarter to 1 pa lang. So, medyo maaga pa. Napansin ko nga ngayon, medyo napupush forward yung nap nila kahit na mag-start kaming patay na kami TV 1:30, tapos mag-start na kami na, you know, mahiga and all na. O, natutulog pa rin sila mga alas 3 na. So, yun. Kaya, ang late namin nagigising, kaya sa gabi, medyo pahirapan na rin kami kahit na dating Hi guys! Hi Kuya! Good afternoon and we're up. Ang aga namin natulog, wala pang 1:30. In fairness, kakasabi ko lang kanina, no, Zach, you cannot go there. Kakasabi ko lang kanina, tapos ang aga namin natulog. Yes, you cannot go there, okay? And now we're up. Magpo 4 o'clock. Ang aga din tuloy namin nagising. Ako ang maaga nagising. Tapos, bumangon ako. Kasi nasa-charge ng phone. Nag-charge ng phone, bumangon ako. So, doon medyo nag-start silang maalimpungatan. Kasi gumalaw ako. Tapos, squeaky. Squeaky tong kama na to. Squeaky clean. Squeaky ingay. Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Are you pooping? Are you pooping? Yes. Anyway, so yeah. Mukhang may ginagawa si Zach. So baka mamaya pumunta kami sa beach kasi ang aga namin nagising. Ngayon masyado pang mainit. Yes. Tapos yeah. Starbucks ito for merienda. Yes. Ay. Where is that? Oh! Stand up. Sit down, come here. Where is that? Wait. Wait lang. Let's hide. What? What a face. Where is that? Bit naman tong isa. Wait. Where is Kuya? Ay! Where is Zach? Where is Zach? Look at that smile. Where's Kuya? Uh-oh, where is that? Hide.
Hi.
Where is that? Before anything else, let's do this. Another sinampay, never ending. Okay. Anyways, bigla akong tinaman lumabas. Kasi pagka lumabas kami, yung tuna kasi hindi ko pinrito lahat. Kasi hindi masarap yun kapag yung malamig, titigas. So gusto ko siya pagkakain na tsaka piprituhin. So pag lumabas kami, pagbalik namin, kasi nga nabitin ulit. Yes, because kailangan kong paliguan yung dalawa. Kasi nga, syempre mabuhangin. Tapos, basta magiging stressful. Tapos magpiprito pa ako. So, yeah, sabi ko, huwag na lang. Huwag na lumabas. Yeah, later. So, magtutupi muna ako. And si Zach, magtutugtog ng gitara doon. Zach! Play the guitar, Zach! Oh. Why? He's playing! Okay. Let's jam! You and you, I love you! Zach Gavin and Zach Gabriel are the cutest boys in town. Zach Gabriel and Zach Gavin are the oh, you don't want? Oh, okay. Are you gonna share this? Guitar. Ang hirap magawa ng impromptu song. La 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 la. Guitar, please. Oh, very good. That's the way I like it, Zab. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are you playing the guitar? Tinago. Tinago sa ilalim ng kama. Ay, ilalim ng kama. Ano? Where's the guitar? Can I borrow it, please? Yay! Come on, let's sing. What are we gonna sing? Let's sing Twinkle Twinkle. Okay, come on. Borrow, borrow. I'm gonna play the guitar so we can sing Twinkle Twinkle. 1, 2, 3. You do like this, ah? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yes, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Yes, we are the Lim family. We are the Lim family band. Yes, we are. Are we gonna make a band? Yes. Yay. Okay. Oh, you're not happy. Ba yan? Magka-quarter to 6 na. Ang laway naman ni Zach. And, maya-maya, magpipwita na ako. Or, paliliguan ko muna to. We will see. Baka malamang kumain muna kami bago ko paliguan. Uy, bukas naman yun. Kuya, let's sing! Let's sing! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Excuse me, Zach. Masarap ka na sa higa mo dyan. Hello. 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 We're done with dinner, guys. Yes, we are done. And now it's time for some dessert. Hindi masyado kita, but yeah. That's my ice cream cookie. Naalala ko may cookie pa pala ako. So, I did an ice cream cookie. Hey, Zach, you cannot have this. You cannot have this. Wait, Zach, excuse me. Be careful, ha? Wait, I will give you, Zeb. I will give you. Alam nyo ba, guys? Wait. I will give you. Wait. Let's pretend that I'm giving you ice cream. Oh, wow. Oh, yummy. Sarap naman yan. Wawa naman dito. Alam niyang wala. Wait lang, Zeb. Please. Alam nyo, kanina, nagpe-prepare na ako ng kakainin namin. Naglagay na ako sa plato ng kanin, ng fish. Tapos, papasok na ako dapat dito sa kwarto. Tapos, nasilip ko. Tahimik naman itong dalawang, ano sila, busy sila pareho. So, sabi ko, why not I take advantage? Oh, excuse me, wait, I'm talking. Why not I take advantage? I take advantage and eat in peace by myself, alone dun sa kusina. So, kumain ako dun sa kusina habang nanonood ako ng YouTube videos. Tapos nakakamay pa ako. Kasi ang sarap ng tuna. Grabe. Grabe. Parang binagyo yung ano ko. Ang bilis niyang naubos. Tapos, talagang sarap na sarap ako sa kain ko. Parang it's been a long time na. Kumain talaga ako ng ganun ka, intense. Wala lang. Intense ng kain pa. Hey, excuse me, Zep. Anyway, we're just gonna enjoy our dessert first and I'll see you later. It's ano na? 7:10. And si Dad hindi niya sure kung maaga siya nakauwi. Hola! Hello! Usus, clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Sus! Hello, guys. It's ano na, 8:45 or magna-9 na ata. And on the way pa lang daw si Daddy pa uwi. So, piprituhan ko pa kasi siya ng tuna. Kasi nga, di ba, mas masarap yung pagbagong prito. Hey, 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 do not stand up. Just lie down, lie down. Nagiinis. Naku. Ubara na naman ako. Talaga naman. This is... Somebody's coming. Anywho, kanina, alam nyo ba, aray. Alam nyo ba, guys, kanina, for a very long time, hindi ako tumatapak sa weighing scale. Kanina, naglinis ako ng kwarto, nagwalis kasi ako. Tapos, syempre, pagdako ng sala, dinamay ko na yung sala. May weighing scale dun. I had to move it kasi para iwalisin yung nasa ilalim. So, sabi ko, sige na nga. And nagulat naman ako. Yes! As in, 2 kg na lang ako. 2 kg na lang ako. 2 kg away from my target weight. Which is yung target weight ko lang naman is bumalik sa dati bago ako yung akong pre-pregnancy weight. Sasagulat ako, I'm just 2 kg away. So, yes. Hindi ko akalain yun pero talagang itong tiyan ko kailangan talaga ito yung kailangan kong palitin Okay, guys, we're gonna say good night na kasi wala na akong space sa phone. Naputol na nga yung pagdadadada ko kanina. Anyways, we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Huy! Ano ba yun doon?
Mama.
Ay, Diyos ko po. Ay, sige. Okay, bye, guys. Bye! Mama. Say bye first.
Bye.
Hi. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Zach. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.